Ladies and gentlemen, how's it going? Once again, I'm Nev from Nev's Tack Bits, and today we're looking at the International Anthem Soccer Ball. With this ball, you can annoy everybody within about a 30-foot radius with cheap music that's supposed to sound generally like the world national anthems. Yeah. Yeah, so you get the idea. And it was lots of fun for everyone. The dog loved chasing this thing around, and for $1, hey, that's pretty good. This thing doesn't actually sell on eBay. Somebody listed it twice for about 50, but nobody's spending that kind of money. And besides, it's broken. Japan won't work. See? It's not worth using if Japan doesn't work. Because I love Japan or something. One sudden drop to the floor and she opens right up. Otherwise, I have a really difficult time figuring out which is the front on this thing. Anyways, let's get into her. She takes AA batteries. Just enough to be annoying. Oh, wait, AAA. 3 AAA. 3 AAA. Screws on the side. I expect the speaker to be about the size of the entire circumference of this, because it is loud. Okay. We're going to open up the FIFA and see what's inside. I don't see any corruption in here. Interesting, we have hot snot, just showing off the great quality of official material. Kind of wonder where this came from. Simply used in English and French, so it definitely came from Canada. Are there any white Canadians who care about the FIFA soccer? Seriously? Sorry about that. I mean, I like soccer or football, wherever you're from. Like, it's fun to play. Lots of fun to play. But I wonder if there's... Come on. It's probably easier than I'm making it. Yes, of course it is. Wow! A brown circuit board. That's cheap. Cheap and cheesy. Look at all that hot snot. Geez, what year was this released? In like the 70s? No, it's just one powerful speaker on the bottom. Very nice. Very interesting. One giant speaker. One speaker to run it all. Yep. Anyways, this is it from me, Nev from Nev's Tack. But like, subscribe, like this kind of stuff. Always appreciate it. And have a good one.